Namaste, I'm Dr. Anne Matthew from Sanjeevanam Ayurveda Hospital, Kochi. Regular yoga practice is one of the best ways to keep your lung healthy. It strengthens the muscles of your chest, increases the vital capacity and boosts oxygen intake and carbon dioxide output. So today we will see some of the best asanas and pranayama to keep your lung healthy. First we will practice Trikonasana. Keep your legs apart. Now slowly inhale and raise your hands up to your shoulder level. Now slowly turn your right leg to right side. Now exhale and slowly bend your body to your right side. Try to keep your palm on the ground on the right side of your feet. If you are not able to do that, you can just keep your hand on your leg. Then slowly turn your head to left side and try to look at your palms facing front. Try to keep your legs straight. Maintain the posture with normal breathing for some time. Slowly inhale and come back. Turn your leg. Now practice on the other side. Slowly turn your left leg to left side. Slowly bend your body to exhale and bend your body to left side. Try to look at your right palm. Maintain the posture with normal breathing. Inhale and come back. Turn your leg. Now exhale and slowly bring your hand down. Keep your legs together. Relax in standing position. Next we will practice Ardha Matsyendrasana. Keep your legs together, hands by the sides of your body. First fold your right leg. Now fold your left leg and keep your left feet near your right knee. Try to sit straight. If possible, cross your right hand over your left leg and try to catch hold of your left ankle. If not possible, you can just catch hold of your left knee with your right hand like this. Then keep your left hand behind. Then slowly turn your body to left side. Maintain in this position with normal breathing. Now inhale and come back. Exhale and release your hands. Release your legs one by one. Now we'll practice on the other side. First fold your left leg. Now fold your right leg. Keep your right feet near your left knee. Now try to sit straight. Now slowly cross your left hand over your right leg. Try to catch hold of your right ankle. Now take your right hand behind. Now slowly exhale and turn your body to right side. Be in this position for some time with normal breathing. Now inhale and come back. Slowly exhale and release your hands. Release your legs one by one. Relax. Next we'll practice Matsyasana. Keep your legs together, hands by the sides of your body. Now keep your palms on the sides of your head. Now slowly with the support of your hands, bend your head backward and try to keep your crown of the head on the ground. Keep your palms on your thighs. Stretch your feet downward. Maintain this posture for some time with normal breathing. Now, with the support of your hands, slowly keep your head on the ground. Bring your hands back, relax for some time. Next we'll practice Bhujangasana. Keep your legs together. Keep your palms on the sides of your shoulders. Keep your elbows close to your body. Now inhale and slowly raise your head, chest and your abdomen up to your navel region. Bend your neck backward. Maintain this posture for some time with normal breathing. Exhale and slowly come back. Place your hands. Now we will practice a pranayama called Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. You can sit in any comfortable meditative posture. You keep your left hand in Chin Mudra. Keep your thumb and index finger together. Your right hand in Nasika Mudra. Fold your index finger and middle finger. For closing and opening your right nostril, you can use your thumb, and for left nostril, you can use your ring finger and little finger. You have to inhale through your left nostril, then exhale through your right nostril. Again inhale through your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. Close your right nostril, inhale through your left nostril. Now close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Now again inhale through your right nostril. Close your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. This is one round of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. We'll practice again. Practice this for 6 to 8 rounds. Practice each asanas for 10 to 20 seconds. Practice these asanas regularly for improving your lung health. Thank you.